given that a heat exchanger is such a critical component of a gas furnace. Hey Dave, what makes ours better?
Well, Dave, we have the best heat exchanger in the business. Our heat exchanger will not fail. Here's why. We use a patented tubular heat exchanger. We use tubes because they don't fail over time. Also with our tubes, Dave, we pressure fit those together. There's two different diameters. That reduces the velocity inside the tube, which adds to heat exchange. Another piece of technology that we have with our heat exchanger is wrinkle bend technology. Now that puts a wrinkle on the inside radius of that tube, does two things. It adds the air turbulence inside that for added heat exchange, and it also keeps the wall thickness consistent throughout the outside diameter of that tube. Every circuit is leak tested in our carousel to make sure that we have the best quality available to our customers. We have one on test in Fayetteville, Tennessee, our sister plant, and it's been through over 2 million cycles, which is equivalent to 300 winters in Chicago, Illinois.
Wow, Dave, that's great. You guys do a wonderful job for our customers.
So right in here, if you look at this, we have the heat pump. This is a new enhanced heat pump. And what's really great about this heat pump is we listen to the voice of the customer. We went and asked our customers, what would you like to see that would differentiate us and set us apart from the rest of the industry? And the feedback we got, we need to have a very nicely sized accumulator to be able to take all of the floodbacks from the liquids. We also went in and put a heater band. If you look in here, you will see you have a heater band. And the whole purpose of the heater band on the compressor is to make sure we don't have any liquid going into the compressor, because that will create slugging and that will kill the compressor. We also went in and put a time delay kit on the heat pump, and the whole purpose behind it to ease the noise and make sure the shifting is very, very smooth when the heat pump shifts back and forth, especially on the reversing valve. We put a muffler to reduce the noise. We have a sound blanket on here. We also added a short protection cycle in the board to make sure that we don't have any noise issues as well. And in addition to all of this, we're introducing the 7.5 and 10-ton light commercial on heat pump and condensers in R410A. We're also introducing the 13 SEER 3-phase and 3-ton, 4-ton, 5-ton in R410A. Another enhancement to our product portfolio is a new communicating system. And the beauty about it, the system sets itself up automatically, and it also sets itself up for dual fuel if you have that option.
We literally test every component that we use in our products, and then we test the finished products, and then we test everything again. We do our best to stress our products to the maximum before we ship them, to ensure that they're durable enough to allow us to offer some of the industry's leading limited warranty coverage.
Mike, let's not forget, all of our facilities have achieved ISO 9001 and 14001 certification.
That's right, Dave. Our constant testing has led to continuous improvements that have helped us maintain our strict quality standards before, during, and even after the manufacturing process.